Hello, my dear friends. Today is September 21st, International Day of Peace, right? We know the dove is always using the symbol of peace, but many of us don't know why it is. Anyhow, let us discuss in detail, okay? International Day of Peace. On International Day of Peace, the United Nations encourages countries to observe the day by adhering to 24 hours of non-violence. World Peace Day is observed every year on September 21st. It is United Nations designated day. It was first established in 1981. On International Day of Peace, the world body encourages countries to observe the day by adhering to 24 hours of non-violence. In 2001, the United Nations General Assembly voted to call for non-violence and ceasefire on World Peace Day. India has a huge legacy of contributing to world peace. There is no path to peace. Peace is the path, said Mahatma Gandhi. The theme of this year, Shaping Peace Together. World Peace Day. The United Nations encourages people to celebrate the day by spreading compassion, kindness, and hope in the face of the COVID pandemic. The pandemic has emerged as a common enemy of the world today. COVID-19 has reminded us that we are all interconnected and need to work together to overcome global challenges. Let us come to the point. International Day of Peace 2020. Why is dove the symbol of peace? That is the question of this talk, right? Let me explain it. Different countries and cultures have their own symbols of peace, but a few are used commonly across the world, like the dove and olive leaf. Legendary Spanish artist Pablo Picasso, Dove of Peace, was first chosen as the emblem for the first International Peace Conference in Paris in 1949. According to PabloPicasso.org, it was a traditional realistic picture of a pigeon which had been given to him by his great friend and rival, the French artist Henri Matisse. Picasso later developed this image into a simple graphic line, drawing that is one of the world's most recognizable symbols of peace. In Greek mythology, dove was used as a symbol of love and the renewal of life. It is said that the early Christians also used a dove to portray baptism. In the Bible, legend says Noah sent a dove when the flood waters recessed. The bird came back with an olive leaf to show that the biblical flood was over and that life had returned to earth. Many Western countries also use olive branch as a symbol of peace. The Greeks believed that an olive branch meant abundance and drove evil away. This is the secrecy of dove is a symbol of peace, and olive leaf was also a symbol of peace. Thank you for listening. Wish you all the best.